let's do a tutorial on visualization. I know it doesn't sound very exciting, but I want you to realize this. In all of my studies, there have only been two things that after learning about them, I've thought to myself, okay, if a person is not doing those two things, there's no possible way they can be performing or living up to their potential. Visualization is one of those things. So I want to just take a couple of minutes and let me walk you through what I consider your three most important guidelines when a person visualizes. Now, in the app, I cover a few more of the guidelines, but these really, to me, are the big three. Number one, when you visualize, you want to think about visualizing through what's called first person. Your eyes are the camera lens that you're watching the video through. So you're not watching yourself, kind of like the ESPN version. You're not watching as if the camera's over here watching you. Your eyes are the camera lens. That's guideline number one. Guideline number two, I want you to pay attention to feeling it. What I mean by that is I want you to think about a term called energy during performance, EDP. So think about the feeling you get when you have the right energy during performance. And I want you to think about this EDP as if it's on a 1 to 10 scale. A 1 during performance would be you're falling asleep. Literally, you're yawning during the performance. A 10 would be you've had 15 cups of coffee. You're probably too amped up. So you probably don't want to be a 1, and you probably don't want to be a 10 in any performance or any visualization, but you want to find that ideal placement in that energy during performance range of 1 to 10. You know you have the right placement or that ideal placement if you have a perfect combination of calm, confident, and aggressive. All right, remember that. Third guideline when it comes to visualization, frequent and brief. Don't worry about visualizing 2, 3, 4 minutes at a time. In fact, don't do it that way. That'd be a real mistake. Instead, you'll get a lot more value from doing short bursts, oftentimes throughout the day. All right, now let's practice. And what I want to do, I want you to use this activity. I want you to think about your next workout. We're going to practice visualizing our next workout, and we're going to use or concentrate on those guidelines, if you will. All right, so I don't care if it's visualizing yourself on the elliptical, or if you're a runner out there on a run, or if you're working on bicep curls. Makes no difference. Just decide what is the next workout, what's the performance that we're going to visualize. Right now, what I want you to do is take 10 seconds. I'm going to stay with you on this video. Take 10 seconds and just imagine yourself through first-person camera lens getting that workout. I don't care if you close your eyes. Some people close their eyes. Some people keep it open. It doesn't matter. Just in your mind's eye, visualize first person getting your next workout. Go ahead. Take 10 seconds now. Excellent. Now don't worry. We're not worried about perfection here. You may have faded in and out. It doesn't matter. The fact that you're working on it, you'll improve whatever you work on. All right. Second guideline. I want you to pay attention. We're going to do the same thing. Visualize that next workout, first person, and this time think about where do you want that energy during the performance? I know for me, if I was going to visualize being on the elliptical, I'd probably want my energy somewhere around the 8, 8.5. Calm, confident, aggressive, all at the same time, okay? Give you another 10 seconds. Visualize first person energy during performance where you want it to be. Go ahead. Okay, now third guideline, remember frequent and brief. We're going to just do one more 10-second clip. Just again, practicing the two things that we just did, first person and feeling it. Go ahead, one last time. Excellent work. Now you can consider yourself an expert at visualization. And remember, This is one of the most important things you can do, and I want you to get in the habit of doing it daily. If you don't get it done every day, that's okay. But just remember the goal. Every day, try to get 1 or 2 or 3 10-second clips of visualizing yourself in an upcoming performance, performing the way you want to perform. You're doing great work. Keep it up.